Our conversion rate went up significantly. Our average tickets went up significantly. And it's not because we're charging more. It's because we're simply giving the customer what they need. Oftentimes they'll say, well, what are you doing differently? And everybody says, Brother Rilla got us. My name's Lee Downing. Here we are at the Neighborly Companies. We have Aire Serv Heating and Air, 5-star painting, Glass Doctor, and Molly Maid franchises. When a technician runs a service call and a customer needs a new system, the standard has always been 10% of those customers should be converted to the sales department. Ours is running about 27%. And then we also are able to track replacement opportunities. We're flipping about 70% of those, where we was only flipping 20 to 30%. Closing percentage on residential replacements was running about 43%. Month to date, this month, we're right at 60%. So that's huge because that's 80% of our business.
I had a new manager, Austin, who embraced Rilla, started really using it, honing in on it, listening to himself over and over and over. In July, he sold well over $300,000 at a 53% close rate. So, I mean, leaps and bounds better.
If, God forbid, I were to leave Aire Serv for any reason, I would want to make sure that that company that I'd moved to would be able to have Rilla, or at least, explore the options of getting it because of the protection that it provides and the coaching that it allows to make their technicians better.
I've talked to some small companies, startup companies, 1 or 2 technicians. They're like, well, we just can't afford it. And in my opinion, you just can't not afford it because every call counts at that level.